Hello, my name's Anthony Betts, and in this video I'm going through the key principles, but this time it's for solving. While my last video was on understanding the key principles. So I made a video on that. You probably watch that first before you even see this video itself. Obviously I put a little snippet in there and I have the link so you'll see it. So for this video for solving key principles, I'm going to do it just for orthographic projection. For the other three key principles here, I'm just going to do sketch instead, as I have a lot of videos and I don't want to do too many. So orthographic projection, how to solve it for my topic, which is roof geometry. To be honest, orthographic projection is the most common and the most easiest / basic key principle in roof geometry, and in many topics orthographic projection is actually in it. Like this is an exam paper. If I actually scroll up even to structural forms, right here you can see orthographic projection. You know what I mean? So there's not really much to learn, because since this portfolio is for the Leaving Cert, most likely you would have done Junior Cert DC Technical Graphics, not DCG, different names, my bad. Most likely you would have done Junior Cert, so you would already know it. But if you don't, orthographic projection, I'm going to talk through it and how you would draw it. For example, for this question, and kind of like the basics behind it. So all you would need to do is draw what's given. Like in all questions, when you ask to draw the orthographic projection, like here's elevation, plan, end view right here. They give you the measurements, so all you kind of do is kind of copy and paste, really. So for this video, I actually gonna put a piece of paper down just so I can kind of capture a little model I have of a house. So right here, oh, you can't see it fully. Okay, I'll hold it. So right here is a Christmas house I have back home, and if you were asked to draw maybe the views and orthographic projection which are plan, end view, and front of elevation, and you don't know how to do it, well, I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to show you how to solve it. So if there's three views, so the first view I'm going to start with front elevation, since I already have it set up. So that means you have to look at the house directly in front, and this is what you're going to see. So you would draw exactly this on your page. And then if you're asked to draw a plan, it means you look down. So if I turn this for you so you can see, this would be the plan of the house, and this is what you would draw. So it would be, when you draw it out, it would be a rectangle and then a little extension to that rectangle. So it would be, I think this would be another rectangle, right? Yeah, so it would be a rectangle with a little tiny rectangle pointing out of it. And then also you would have a line going across to represent it's a roof with the two sides. And then the same with this rectangle, you would have a line going across to represent each side. So I can actually draw this right now, as it'll only take a couple of seconds. I'll just sketch it out. So right here, I just sketched it out into a couple of seconds. It's a very brief sketch. So obviously you can see in the plan right here, it's the two rectangles I was talking about, and then obviously the chimney. Oh, I actually drew the chimney in the wrong place. I wasn't even looking at the model. Let me just fix that. There you go. The chimney's now in the correct position. It's in halfway between both sides. from right here. See how the chimney is like in between. It's between both of the sides of the roof. So this focuses in, you can see how it's in between. And then obviously the last view would be end view. So that'll be looking from the side. So that could be from the left side, or it could be from the right side. And the same thing like the plan, all you do is just look at it and then you draw it out. That's the end of the video. Orthographic projection is very simple. I don't want to do too much into it as it's something that you already know. Thanks very much.